Hey folks, it's Florida Deere. Thanks for joining me today. Today I want to do two things. I want to show you the rear hydraulic kit on this John Deere 140, and I want to also pitch the company that makes them, which is Auxilliary Hydraulics, that is also right here in Florida, actually out of Tallahassee, Florida, so he's a little bit to the west of where I am. But Ron Ellis runs this company. A lot of you have probably already seen products from him, and they reach back from the John Deere 140 all the way to the current series, and he has a slew of items from just different hoses for snow blowers to, H3 kits for a number of the other tractors, 300 series, 4X5 series. One of them that I actually installed, that you can check out the video at the end of this one. And I've actually gotten a number of products from him before. This current product, rear hydraulic kit on my 322 that you've seen videos on, I'm sure, if you pay attention to this channel. And hey buddy. And also what else? Power steering. Dog, you're killing me. Power steering, hoses, and I think diverter valves, those kind of things. So he has a lot to offer, and he's always looking to try to, add additional products to his line that he has. I think he actually even carries mule drives, like rebuilt or, not rebuilt, but like, manufactured mule drives for replacements and stuff. So what I like about his stuff is it's quality stuff. All right, dog. It's quality stuff. It lasts a long time, and he's really well priced for what he offers, I think. And so anyway, so this arrangement is just basically me shooting some videos on some of the things that I like that I've had, that I've gotten from him before, and then also, him posting those videos on his website as well for the how-tos as far as the installation and stuff. And so that's kind of the arrangement we have. I'm not paying him anything. He's not paying me anything. So, and I'm just kind of pitching it because I think they're good products. Hey folks, as you can see, this is the John Deere 140 rear hydraulic kit. It's a single circuit, so it just has the two couplers. Comes with the old style coupler caps, or plugs rather, I guess. And then it comes, Ron updated these to sort of match what is, I guess pretty much an OEM type screw for the attachment of the bracket, which is back here. And I'll get a better shot of that in a moment. And so it has the two hydraulic lines that run through the frame. And as you can see, they come down here and they run up into the right here and right there into the hydraulic control valve, which is right here. Of course, there's a lot going on. So the kit includes what I showed you earlier, and then also these T-fittings right here that you see. I already had them installed by the time I took that photo. So as you can see, it's a pretty simple kit. There's not a whole lot to it. It's actually one of Ron's better sellers. Just a lot of people, redoing their 140s and sort of making them a collector piece now and stuff, and wanting these kind of attachments on them and stuff to try to, make them show better or whatever, with different things that that came on the 140s throughout their lifetime. Okay, so the best way to install this kit, it should only take you about 5 to 15 minutes depending on your mechanical skill. And basically you're going to install the two T-fittings on the hydraulic control valve first, and then with the whole rest of the kit outside of the tractor, you're going to install these two hoses on their couplers, get them all tight, run the hoses through this bracket you see over here, the green thing, and then put your snap rings on it. You're going to feed the lines through the frame to the front where the hydraulic control valve is. Attach those to the hydraulic control valve T-fittings that you installed a little bit earlier. And then after everything is unkinked and you have all the hoses going the correct way that you want them to go, you can just put this bracket up against the fender pan and then put the 2 screws in, tighten them down, and you're done. You actually don't have to take off a tire. You don't have to take off the fender pan. You really don't have to do any of that stuff. It's really that easy to install. It's probably one of the easiest things I've ever had to install on the tractor. So again, quality product, easy installation, pretty good price. I would recommend this if you need rear hydraulics on your John Deere tractor. Hey folks, that concludes the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you found it useful. If you did, you can hit the like button. And if you wanted to see more videos about John Deere garden tractors as well as the John Deere 1 Series tractors that I have here, then you can hit the subscribe button as well. I appreciate you watching. Have a good night. Thanks. Bye-bye.